Welcome everyone to our lesson on crypto tools. Today we are going to explore one of the most essential resources in the world of cryptocurrency, CoinMarketCap. This platform is a powerhouse of data that provides real-time information on thousands of cryptocurrencies, including their current price, trading volume, and market capitalization. As a trader, staying on top of market movements is crucial. CoinMarketCap gives you access to the big picture, which coins are trading, what their history price looks like, and where they might be heading. Over here you can see that we have a classification of all our coins. They are structured by number. So by this number you can see if the coin is popular or not. It's 100 top coins. You can see really famous projects in crypto. But if we will go further, you can see that we will find a lot of shitcoins on this website that is not even tradable. Let's go to page 99. And you can see that here we are looking at coins with volume of $5, 609 coins nobody talks about. So this is a great place to research a coin you're planning to trade. Now you might be thinking, how do I use it effectively? Don't worry, we'll cover that. We'll go over how to navigate the platform, search for specific coins. By the end of this lesson, you will be comfortable using CoinMarketCap as a daily tool in your trading journey. As we move forward, I'll show you how to interpret key metrics like market cap, trading volume, and circulating supply. Understanding these numbers will help you assess potential of a cryptocurrency before making any investment decisions. You can see our price, our change for 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, our current market cap, our trading volume, and a total supply. And over here you can see the graph. If you click on a cryptocurrency, you can see more details on it. Over here, of course, you can see the market cap, volume, circulation supply, total supply, and maximum supply. Our full market cap and official links, website, white paper, GitHub, the socials of the project, and other interesting data like all-time high and all-time low. For Bitcoin, I wish I had some at this price. Okay, also we can search a coin. Let's search something that has came up today. For example, hamster. We can see hamster combat. You can see that at the moment the current market cap is almost $500 million. We are at 110th place, and by volume we are in 21st place. Here we can see our circulating supply, our total supply, our maximum supply, website, white paper, social accounts like X and Telegram, our ID, and over here we have the same data about all-time low and all-time high. So this tool is really useful. Let's go back. Finally, you will be able to find the link to CoinMarketCap in the description of this lesson.